Hi there, this week's question is, why is my internet intermittent, slow, or disconnected? My name is Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and you may have issues with your internet in your home or office, and if it's not your ISP's fault, these are things that you can do to rectify the problems. The first one being to check all wired devices, all the cables in your house. In fact, I would go as far as saying unplug and replug every cable just to make sure they're seated correctly, because a loose cable can look like it's plugged in correctly. So it's just a great idea to unplug and replug every single cable in your house, and let's include all router and modem connections as well. This way you are sure that the connection to your modems and the connection to your router, as well as every single other device, physical connections obviously, is working properly. And a loose cable from your modem to your router will affect wireless. So it's a great idea to check this just in case your internet is intermittent, slow, or disconnected. The second thing that you're going to want to do is to make sure that you restart devices and computers that have bad connections. This way, if your laptop or your desktop, which was plugged in, was having an issue, unplugging might rectify it, but restarting it might as well also fix issues that might have to do with the operating system or driver issues as well. The third thing that you should actually do is to restart all modems and routers as well. If they were suffering any issues whatsoever, restarting them might get rid of those issues and allow for clean operation, solving your intermittent, slow, and disconnected statuses from the internet. And I hope this helps you out. So like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com. Go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see the show notes on this episode, past others, find other ways of subscribing, and of course use the contact form to email me directly. And if you want to see me play video games, head over to twitch.tv/zaxis1981, where I play every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday evening, typically from 7 to 9 p.m. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.